Nairobi for meeting with one of our clients. We are also export our product of time frame and customer satisfaction.
Of course, cost of energy has been an issue, but we also look at it as a challenge. But now it's an opportunity for us to look at how we can work on it together. And we'll definitely go more solar and get the government support to work on it. I'm quite comfortable and I'll be surprised next 2 months we see a major improvement in the cost of production. With the CS being here today, we can see it's happening.
I believe that's a hard dialogue that we need to have. Our ministry needs to lead that dialogue in the country to see how we can reduce the cost of manufacturing for various products, and that's the only way we are going to achieve our target of increasing our manufacturing to GDP, which is currently at 7%. We have a target of increasing that to 10%. We can only achieve that when we resolve some of the challenges that are being raised and discussed and brought to our attention by the manufacturers.